Alright, there's the first coat of base coat, plaster base coat. I'm gonna put a couple coats on, probably one more base coat and then a veneer. This one's pretty good. That one only needs one coat. All these little holes here. I gotta mix up some more for that. There's a crack over here that I put in. And if you got a crack on the chimney, it's good to use the Structo Lite because it's very strong. Structo Lite is a base plaster and it hardens to a concrete-like finish. Very, very hard. And if you just use like an easy sand joint compound, it will never get hard enough to really keep those bricks together, you know, especially in a crack with bricks. Alright, some coats on here. That's easy sand. Gypsum based joint compound. 20-minute mud. And then I still got to work on this electricity lines, run those up inside the walls.